Yes, Mr. Bhattakur,
Lordship.
you have filed this petition over FIR at Bokaro. Why?
Lordship, since your Lordship,
Where did you pay the money?
your Lordship, it is a bank transaction, your Lordship.
So you paid the money by way of bank
Bank
transactions from
From Bokaro, your Lordship.
for what is
Your
the
Lordship,
reason for?
The allegation is that your Lordship, that for job, your Lordship.
Understood. Now, where did you get that hold of the petitioner? You, as from the FI, it seems that you met the petitioner at Guwahati.
Lordship,
Then the petitioner asked you to make a payment to somebody.
Lordship.
So you paid the money to whom?
To your Lordship, the petitioner, your Lordship.
You paid the money to the petitioner by way of bank transaction.
Bank transaction.
Where is the bank transaction?
Lordship will kindly, if your Lordship go through the FIR, your Lordship.
I am not concerned with the FI. Now,
No, your Lordship.
where is the bank transaction to which you have made to the petitioner?
That your Lordship, I should have your Lordship brought by way of a record, but your Lordship.
You have already filed your affidavit. You have not
Affidavit,
brought on record that aspect of the matter.
Lordship, this is because your Lordship, I was not there when this affidavit has been filed.
Fantastic. Now you must be having a bank transaction.
Lordship,
No, why have you paid the entire money out here? Every transaction happened out here.
Lordship.
Then why on earth did you file it out there in Bokaro? The investigation could have been very well done out here. The problem arises, the state of Jharkhand is not
Lordship.
represented
Lordship.
because of all these things.
Lordship.
They are not bothered with a case of 10,50,000. Why will they spend money on the lawyer?
Lordship.
Then why did you file it out there?
Lordship, since it is a bank transaction, your Lordship, that's why.
No, bank transaction, no. It otherwise shows your malafide intention. It is a vexatious reason for which you have approached out there at Bokaro.
Your Lordship,
You did everything. You came over to Assam. You asked met these people. You made the payments out here. Everything has been done. Where did you hand over the check?
Lordship. There is the cash deposit, your Lordship.
This can't be cash deposit. The documents which you show are checks. This doesn't show any bona fide on your part.
But ultimately, your Lordship will
Oh,
kindly
no,
see, even
no, no.
assuming your Lordship.
No, if the law is there, this law needs to be changed out there. Kindly see, these are check numbers by which you have done. Check number 180254. One is 180255, which is in the name of the petitioner.
Lordship.
Then you have paid 5 lakhs, whereas your draft FIR, which have been enclosed out here, does not show that. Kindly see here. This FIR is on the basis of this document. Kindly see
Lord.
page 25.
Of the petition, your Lordship.
Yes, Annexure 2.
Lordship.
This is the FIR. With due respect, I so-and-so from Bokaro Steel City, so-and-so would like to share some information related to a fraud case in which I am a victim. Sir, with reference to one of my friend, Dharam Prakash, now I am a victim of Guwahati-based Indian Oil Corporation Limited fraud case. Sir, when I was in search of a better job, I contacted many of my friends to get information whether there is a job vacancy in his respective place based on my degree and experience. And among them, I contacted one of the engineering college friend, so-and-so. He suggested me that he is in contact of a lady, so-and-so, an agent who works for some of Indian Oil Human Resource Department people for backdoor recruitment at Guwahati region. He told me that if I go for the executive grade, then I will have to pay 5 lakhs. And if I go to the executive grade, then I will have to pay 10 lakhs and more. And he said that if the amount is not paid by due date, a fine of rupees 50,000 will be imposed on the candidate. Sir, as per the said instruction, I paid the amount of rupees 10 lakhs for backdoor recruitment process. But I was late by 2 days. So Razia so-and-so charged me rupees 50,000. Sir, when I saw nothing happening in the case of recruitment, I said to Mr. Rajia, yeah, so here this document, this line clearly shows that you have asked the entire money from Rajia. So and so, backdoor entry of so and so, so and so. And now she says that it is not possible to return you the money because of the recruitment is under process. So I cannot what to do. The situation is suffocating. I took loan from my father and so and so. There's no mention that you paid to the petitioner.
Lordship, that is an online FIR, your lordship. Online, your lordship, that is what my lordship. But your lordship, since it is not, I have not brought on record, your lordship. Probably, your lordship, they will not. Therefore, your lordship, I will not harp on it, your lordship. Because ultimately, your lordship, that will have to be brought on record by way of an affidavit. On instruction, I am submitting this, your lordship.
No instruction, all this basic. Is there an annexure out there?
Yes.
No, this court has serious doubts on your bona fides out here, taking into account why have you filed it? Everything you have come, you came to Guwahati, you made the payment out here, everything. Then why on earth now you are saying all these things?
No, your lordship will kindly see your lordship, that even if your lordship, that for filing and lodging an FIR, your lordship, if you file it in Bokaro, your lordship, then also your lordship, it is not that since territorial jurisdiction is not there, your lordship, Bokaro police has no power to investigate.
No. The Bokaro police station may have some jurisdiction. I'm not saying on that. I'm not saying that Bokaro police station would not. But see your bona fide out here. Wouldn't this be a case of an amount by which you want to use the process of law, the criminal law, by asking this, by filing the FIR out there, thereby harassing these people?
No, your lordship, that
You
is
have
not
not
because
got the
I
money,
had
so
to come here, your
why
lordship.
you came? You could very well come to Guwahati. You could file out here.
No,
Now tell me, why have you filed out there in Bokaro?
Lordship, I have filed because your lordship, I have transaction were made, your lordship, from Bokaro, your lordship.
How do you say so? There's nothing mentioned out there in your FIR.
Your lordship, that is why I am referring to that particular FIR, your lordship, which is part, I say.
That is not an FIR before this court. This is not the
That
FIR
is
we
why
have.
your lordship will have to.
We have
come for a
only
record,
looked,
your
we are
lordship.
to look into this particular document as it is.
Ultimately, your
You had the right to file your reply. You have filed your reply. There's nothing mentioned out there.
lordship, then your lordship also, your lordship will have to see the record, your lordship, investigation, what they have found in the investigation.
Why should I look into the records,
Because
seeing your
lordship,
bona fides?
ultimately, your lordship, investigation will reveal my bona fide or your lordship, malafide, your lordship.
You could have very well filed it out here if somebody has
And it
taken
is not
money
the
out
case
there.
that I have not come here. They have filed the complaint case against me, your lordship, here.
Let them file whether I'm not on
I
that.
have come, your
That
lordship.
matter is not before this court. As regards
A
they
person can have, your lordship, can feel that I will lodge an FIR here since I
You
have.
give the money to somebody out there and that person concerned have not returned you the money in lieu of an illegal appointment. You know,
Lordship.
you have approached out here with a backdoor entry,
Lordship,
meaning thereby you have committed an illegal act.
Lordship, I don't deny all these
Then-
things, but all that will not obliterate your lordship, their offense, your lordship. That's what my submission is, your
What is
lordship.
their offense?
That is the offense, your lordship, which I have alleged, your lordship.
That they are in a record of
Yes, your lordship.
job.
Yes, your lordship. Your lordship may feel that their materials is not there, but my case is that, your lordship. And your lordship, so far as this jurisdiction point is concerned on the police, your lordship, that has been clearly laid down by the Honorable Apex Court. That's not a ground for challenge, your lordship.
No, they are not challenging it.
That is
They are not challenging on the jurisdiction out there. No. But I am saying that why you have filed it out there where everything happened here.
Lordship, part of the cause of
There's no
action, in
part
my
of it.
understanding
No.
is, your lordship, maybe that, your lordship, since I have paid it, your lordship.
On one hand, you are saying that the entire amount has been paid to this Rajia, whatever mean. You have paid to somebody, Rajia. But on the other hand, the amount out there which have been shown by you today, these documents, shows that 5 lakhs was paid to him on some
Yes.
amount. Yes, there might have been payment of 5 lakhs for some other reason. But does it constitute that there has been any inducement being made by them to the effect?
That is, your lordship will
It's
reveal
a
by the
plain,
investigation.
simple case of a vexatious litigation.
Your lordship,
Fire.
Your lordship will kindly see, your lordship, until and unless your lordship go through the what has
I'm
been.
not going to go to anything out here.
Lordship.
Here is a case out here. This on the face of it, it appears. Then when did the FIR happen? When did you lodge the FIR?
I lost it, your lordship. My FIR is your lordship, lost on, registered on your lordship. 10/1/2016, which I have written on 50, filed on 15/12/2015.
When did you pay the money?
Your lordship, that your lordship did.
When did you meet them? And they say that they are not going to pay
Lordship,
you.
lordship. That. In 2014, this whole process started, your lordship. That's why FIR says, your lordship, from 2014 to 2016, the cause of action, your lordship.
You lodged the FIR in 2016.
Lord, it registered on 2016, on 10/1/2016, and I have written to them on 15/12/2015.
On
15/12/2015, I have written to them
15/12.
2015, and they registered it on 10/1/2016. Some translation.
Because from these documents, which you have placed, shows that you have paid some, parted with around 15 lakhs. Which, however, is contrary to what has been recorded out there in the FIR.
I have transferred the money to Dharam Prakash Singh Axis Bank account with account number so and so on 11/5/2015. That is my statement. Transferred an amount of 50,000 from Axis Bank so and so HDFC check to Rajani Laskar Axis Bank. Both, your lordship, I have paid, deposited. I paid total amount of rupees 10,50,000 from Dharam to Dharam Prakash Singh, Dharam Prakash friend and Razia Laskar's bank account, the proof of which I have attached herewith as last page. In fact, your lordship, in that FIR, detailed FIR, your lordship, I have annexed everything, your lordship. After payment of complete money on 26/5/2015, an exam was held in the institution of Razia Laskar Husband by Indian Oil Corporation Limited, situated in Guwahati. During this exam, one person came whose introduction was given as official of Indian Oil Corporation Limited. 4 people appeared in the exam, me, so and so, and so and so. The first page of the question booklet provided in exam was captured by me through my mobile camera, the photo of which I have attached along with the. These are the detailed statement of the details of the FIR, your lordship. I have stated everything, what I have done, your lordship. That is also I have stated, your lordship. Apparently, your lordship, case should be registered against me also for this. After completion of the exam, I asked the officials of Indian Oil Corporation Limited that when advertisement for the post and the result of this exam will out, then the official replied that after 1 week.
What are you reading?
That is, your lordship, the translated copy of that,
You have not given it to me.
lordship. It is there.
Where? Oh, I don't have a
Typed of the translated copy of the.
No. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This was the one which you have given.
Lords. It was in Hindi, I have translated it. Hindi is in page 6.
But how do we know that this portion of 15/12/2015 is a part of the FIR?
Lordship, that is why, your lordship, I have shown this page 5, your lordship, the Hindi. Thus, before that, your lordship,
You are saying this one now. Read it. The third page.
वादी द्वारा दिया गया ऑनलाइन आवेदन जो इस काम की मूल आधार है, मूल एवं अन्य के साथ छायापत्री संलग्न है।